The TOPGREENER TG115RPS wall cable management kit makes a wall-mounted television or projector setup look tidy by hiding cords and recessing the connections into the wall. Its recessed outlet design lets plugs sit back inside the wall, so screens and consoles can sit closer to the surface without bulky cords sticking out. By routing power through the included in-wall conductor wire and extension cord, it keeps high-voltage lines off the floor and away from view for a cleaner and safer installation. The plates and components are built from tough polycarbonate and metal hardware that feel solid during installation and hold up well to everyday use. The tamper-resistant outlet and safety listings show that the kit is designed with household electrical standards in mind, rather than being just a cosmetic cover. Because it comes as a matched set with wall plates, boxes, brackets, and cabling, do-it-yourself users can complete a professional-looking cable pass-through without hunting for extra parts.